but we are ready. This is our planning.
Babo Kabalan, welcome to We're in Pampanga. So for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City and we will be attending yung inauguration ng Mitsubishi Angeles under the Hizon Auto Group. So tara, pasok tayo.
As what our EVP COO always say, sales starts from service and service starts from sales. Mitsubishi Angeles is about to conquer the demands of the automotive world. So today, we welcome you as we all celebrate the inauguration of Mitsubishi Angeles City. Let us give a round of applause for everyone who made it possible.
So again, I'd like to congratulate the entire Bluebird Corporation team led by Mr. MacArthur. It is quite clear that you have proven your prowess in handling the business theory that knows. We are happy to be partners with a group that carries commendable values that translate to providing utmost care for its employees.
Kami po yung Mitsubishi Angeles City. We are located at Balibago, in front of Robinsons sa Balibago. And we would like to invite everyone. Gusto po namin imbitahin lahat ng mga car enthusiasts. We are actually ino-offer po namin ang service namin sa lahat ng brands. Hindi lang po pang Mitsubishi, we also cater po ang mga ibang brands. So everyone is welcome kahit ilang taon na po yung mga sakyan natin. We are happy and willing to assist you anytime. Ang business hours po natin is 8:30 to 5:30 and this is Monday to Saturday. Thank you!
So alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. So congratulations Mitsubishi Angeles and Bluebird Motor Corp for opening the newest dealer ng Mitsubishi dito sa may Pampanga. So yan, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and sa mga naghahanap ng mga bagong sasakyan, lalo na Mitsu, so punta na kayo dito sa Mitsubishi Angeles. Thank you for watching. Peace out!